Peripheral Devices. Device drivers, a program to tell the system software how to work with the piece of hardware. Some common device drivers are built in the system software operation system, e.g. keyboard and mouse drivers. Plug-and-play devices. Device designers such that Windows can detect them, install and configure the device driver automatically. For non-plug-and-play devices, we have to install and configure the device driver manually. Input devices. Keyboard, PS2 keyboard, USB keyboard, wireless keyboard, pointing devices, mouse, trackball, touchpad, large pen, digitizers, touchscreen, scanning devices, image scanner, fax machine, scan image to bitmap, barcode scanner, scan universal product code, magnetic ink character scanner, optical character scanner, optical mark scanner, voice input device, microphone to receive the sound signal, sound card to convert the sound signal to digital form, use speech recognition software to recognize human speech, writing recognized device, need handwriting recognized software, output device, visually display unit (VDU), commonly called monitor. Two common types of monitor: CRT cathode ray tube monitor, high radiation and bulky; LCD like crystal display monitor, no radiation and slim. Printer to produce hard copy, laser printer to produce high quality output, resolution up to 2400 dpi dot per inch. Use carbon tuner usually for black and white printers. Color is very expensive. Inkjet printer produce good quality color output. Dot matrix printer. Use impact principle. Can print multiple carbon copies at a time, usually using printer voice. The ink ribbon is cheap, pour usually of printout. Looter. Drawing height usually match. Use color pens. Can draw smooth curves. Can print on large paper size. Use roll of paper to draw posters and maps using computer-aided design. Storage device. Floppy disk, diskette. A flexible plastic circular disk packed in plastic square diskette, formatted to 1.44 MB, divided to many circular tracks. Each track is divided to many sectors. Use magnetic technologies to store data 0 or 1. Random access, slow accessing speed. Hard disk. High storage capacity over 100 GB. Hard metallic surface consists of several metallic disks. Data storage in cylinder, a disk of track. Use magnetic technology, very high access speed, random access. Optical disc, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, CD-RV, DVD-RV. Use optical technologies, laser reflection on pits. 1 will reflect the laser beam, while 0 does not. High storage capacity, 700 MB for a CD-ROM, 70 GB for a DVD-ROM. Random access, high access speed. Tape, cheap, sequential access. Use magnetic technology, ideal for backup date. We need to back up and restore all date. High storage capacity, slow access speed. Group of records are stored in a block. Interblock gaps are needed for stopping and starting the read-write head. Other storage device can be read-write, removable disk, zip disk, 100 and 250 MB, super disk 120 MB, jazz disk 1 GB, MO disk, flash memory cards, compact flash, smart media and memory stick commonly used in digital camera. Network device. Network interface card NIC, LAN card, connection between the network and the computer bus. Have built-in transceiver for data transmitting and receiving, usually 100 MB a second. Wireless LAN card, usually 11 MB a second. Work with a distant range and no blocking in between connector. RJ45 telephone jazz connector. For connecting twisted Pierce LAN cable. BNC connector. For connected coaxial cables. Terminators using byte network to prevent signal rivers and echo at the ends of bus. Hop to connect the workstation within a room on some floor. Switch to connect the workstation for different floors in a building. It is faster and more efficient than a hop. Router to connect different LANs together to form a wide area network (WAN). Repeater. When a network spans a long distance, the signal weakened repeater is used to reproduce the signal. Computer. Different computers play different roles on a network. Server. Provides server to other computers connected to the network, usually have higher processing power and larger storage capacity. Workstation. The computer connected to the network but not act as a server. File server. Control the sharing and access of files over the network. Must have a high storage capacity. Print server. Manage the print jobs from different computers to different network printers and manage the print queues. Web server. To host a website and publish web page on the web. Support HTML, JavaScript, CGI, PHP and ASP web languages. A mail server. To store, send and receive emails over the Internet. Internet server. To provide Internet access. Communication devices. Modem. Modulator, demodulator. It transforms digital signal of computer to analog signal to be transmitted through telephone lines. Modulation. It also transforms analog signal back to digital signal for the computer that receives the signal. Demodulation. Thank you for watching. See you later, my friends.